the tragic death of the Union Rural Development Minister Gopinath Munde. His body is being taken to Mumbai after he died in a road accident in the capital this morning. The accident took place at around 6:30 this morning in South Delhi near Prithviraj Road. According to the details we have at the moment, it seems allegedly a car jumped a red light and hit the minister's car from the side. He was rushed to the trauma center at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, was pronounced dead at 7:20 this morning. A post-mortem report is awaited. Now, the driver of the Indica car which hit the minister's car has been taken into custody. Mr. Munde was on his way to Delhi's IGI airport, from where he was scheduled to catch a flight for Mumbai. He was supposed to attend a victory rally in Beed in Maharashtra, which ironically is where his body will be taken tomorrow for the last rites. Right now, Mr. Munde's body is being flown to Mumbai, where it will first be taken to his home and then to the party office, where party workers will get a chance to pay their respects at the BJP headquarters. Tomorrow morning, as I was saying, his body will be taken to Latur and Parli, which is Mr. Munde's hometown. The last rites will be performed, and the driver of the Indica, an employee of the Imperial Hotel, has been arrested. He has been charged with causing death due to negligence and rash driving. Let's quickly take you through what happened this morning. Now, this morning, Mr. Munde was leaving for the airport. Now, at 6:20 was when the accident happened. His SX4 vehicle, that's the car he was traveling in, was hit by an Indica. As we were saying earlier, the accident took place at the intersection of the Safdarjung Road and Prithviraj Road. The Indica hit Mr. Munde's car near the back door. Mr. Munde was the only one sitting on the back seat. Now, at 6:30 this morning, Mr. Munde was rushed to the AIIMS Trauma Center, but less than an hour later, by 7:20 this morning, doctors declared him dead. Let's take a look at the two cars involved in the accident, the silver Tata Indica and the SX4 in which the minister was traveling. Those are the two cars you're seeing on your screens right now. And in fact, you can see, if you look carefully, the dent where the collision happened. Meanwhile, one of the people to rush to Mr. Munde's side as soon as possible was BJP leader from the capital, Dr. Harshvardhan, who's also a medical professional, and he gave his opinion as a medical professional on what could have happened during the accident.
He had little mild abrasions on the nose, on the forehead. So he had a small abrasion here. But the major thing that cost him very heavily was a fracture of the cervical spine, C1 and C2. You see, when you have a fracture at C1 and C2, the blood supply to the brainstem gets cut off because the vertebral artery gets damaged immediately. And once the brainstem gets deficient of oxygen and blood supply, this is the place where you have the respiratory and the cardiac centers. And these, once the respiratory and the cardiac centers are deficient of oxygen, you have that cardiac arrest. And on top of it, he also, because of that impact of the injury, he had a tear of the liver at 2-3 places. And there was almost 1.5 liters of blood in his abdomen because of that injury to the liver. So I would say there were two causes of death basically. One is the brain stem which got affected because of the fracture of the cervical at the level of cervical 1 and cervical 2, and then massive injury to the liver.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi were among the hundreds of political leaders and party workers who paid their last respects to the Union Rural Development Minister Gopinath Munde at the BJP headquarters today, and people across party lines spoke out in his praise.
मैं मानता हूं कि आज महाराष्ट्र में जो पार्टी को इतनी बड़ी सफलता मिली है, उसमें जिन लोगों की प्रमुख भूमिका रही है, उनमें मुंडे जी और उनका परिवार, उनका एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रही है और आज उनके निधन से पार्टी को बहुत आघात पहुंचा है।
जब भी किसानों और गरीबों से जुड़ा हुआ कोई भी अहम सवाल संसद में आता था तो उस पर बहुत प्रभावी तरीके से अपने पक्ष को प्रस्तुत करने में गोपीनाथ जी मुंडे कभी पीछे नहीं रहते थे।
आज इस प्रकार का हादसा जो हुआ है वो मुंडे परिवार के लिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए और हम सब के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा धक्का है।
Across party lines, there's a vast army of friends and admirers. The state has lost a great leader.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी शिवसेना का जो गठबंधन महाराष्ट्र में चल रहा है 25-30 साल से, उसमें बड़ा योगदान मुंडे जी का रहा है।
He was not only a big mass leader from Maharashtra or a senior minister in Narendra Modi ji's government, but he was a very nice human being.
मेरी उनकी पूरे परिवार के साथ बहुत सहानुभूति है और मैं खुदा से दुआ करता हूं कि उनके परिवार को ये बड़ी तकलीफ, कयामत टूटी है उनके ऊपर, ये बर्दाश्त करने की ताकत मिले।
It's an unfortunate thing that what happened today, nation has lost a great public servant.
बहुत ही दुखद घटना है। हमको तो अभी तक विश्वास ही नहीं हो पा रहा है कि ये घटना सही है कि गलत है। रात में ही हम लोग बैठे थे, प्राइम मिनिस्टर के यहाँ जो मीटिंग चली थी हमारे सीट के बगल में उनका था, काफी देर तक बातचीत हुई।
Many political leaders there talking about how Mr. Munde's death is a loss to the nation, but for others it was a more personal loss. NDTV spoke with Mr. Munde's former PS, Keshav Upadhyay.
If Gopinath Munde was a leader, then Keshav Upadhyay was like his shadow. आप लिटरली उनकी परछाई की तरह थे क्योंकि इतने साल आपने एक साथ काम किया था उनके साथ।
पिछले 10 साल में से आज पहला दिन है मैडम कि जिस दिन मेरी और साहब की बात नहीं हुई। लगातार हर दिन हर सुबह हम बात करते थे। यहाँ मुंबई में नहीं रहेंगे तो फ़ोन पे बात होती थी, वो अगर बाहर भी है तब भी बात होती थी। लगातार क्या अपडेट्स है, न्यूज़ क्या है, ये मैं हमेशा उनको बताता था और वो एक बहुत मेरे लिए वो पिता समान थे। आज भी मुझे एक मेमोरी याद है कि 2009 में जब इलेक्शन चुनाव हुए थे विधानसभा के और हम सत्ता पे नहीं आ रही है, क्लियर हुआ था, तब सब सारे कार्यकर्ता मायूस हुए थे। मुंडे साहब तक कार्यालय के गेट में खड़े थे और सब उन्होंने हमारे चेहरे पर मायूसी देखी तो उन्होंने सबको चलो फिर एक बार संघर्ष, उसी दिन दोपहर को 4 बजे उन्होंने कहा चलो फिर एक बार संघर्ष करते हैं। आज हम कहाँ सत्ते में इतने साल थे, अपने को तो संघर्ष करने की आदत है, चलो संघर्ष करते हैं फिर सत्ता बनाते हैं। ये जो है ये मुंडे साहब का जो संघर्ष और लोगों में, सीधा लोगों में उनकी एक इंस्ट्रक्शन थी, कोई भी आदमी मुझे मिलना चाहिए, किसी को भी मुझे मिलने से मत रोको।